Hello, my name is Benjamin McMullen. I'm one of the professional academic advisors in the College of Engineering. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to get to and how to use Schedule Builder on LionPath. At this point, you should be in your LionPath homepage. If you are not, you should try to get to your LionPath homepage to get to where we're going today. The first thing we're going to do is hit enrollment at the top right. Once we do that, it's going to bring you to this page. This is your enrollment shopping cart. Your cart is where classes will sit if you are interested in taking them. That's where we're going to be putting our classes by the end of today's Canvas module. However, we're going to show you how to use Schedule Builder specifically first. So we're going to click this button down here at the bottom left. The Schedule Builder button will look yellow for you. For me, it's going to be gray. So once we hit Schedule Builder, this is the launcher. This is where it's going to take you to open the Schedule Builder software. Now, from this point, you're going to hit Open Schedule Builder. If you're on a PC, it's going to open up a new tab in your browser, usually without so much of an issue. If you have a blocker, you may need to disable it in order to open the Schedule Builder. If you're on a Mac interface, you'll want to click on the address bar area that has two windows that say that they have blocked a pop-up. Once you've clicked that, it should open up a new tab for you in your Mac browser as well. From there, you're going to see a page that looks similar to this. Now, we're going to go through and change some of these filters right now, and we're going to add some courses to build a query on your Schedule Builder. So from here, the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that campuses is changed to University Park. So let's quickly do that. You can hit select all campuses and it will unselect everything. Scroll down and hit University Park. We're going to save that. And from here, course status should say open classes only. We're not going to worry about anything in a waitlist or closed. Your term should be whichever term that you're starting at Penn State University. And then your academic careers, instruction modes, and sessions should be all. From this point, we're going to hit add course to build a query of courses to build a schedule. Now, you can click on subject and type in the subject that you're looking to search for. So the first one we're going to search for is econ. So economics, and the course, which is going to be 102. Now, this course that I've picked out here may be useful for your major and it may not for yours. So what you should do is always make sure you're using the courses selected on the suggested academic plan from the bulletin. Now, I'm going to go through and put in 3 more pretty common ones that we see, but feel free to add classes that may work for your suggested plan. Once you want to type in your second one, you can type it right over top of the subject, and then you can change the course accordingly. You'll notice that the classes are appearing on the right-hand side. Those classes are going to be what the system uses to find all possible schedules. Your suggested academic plan may not have all the same courses as mine, and there's every chance that it might be something that you need to take on my schedule here that you might be taking in your second semester, and that's completely okay. So now that we have some 4 classes, we're going to remember that Gen Eds and first year seminars, usually labeled as FYS on your suggested plan, are not going to be searched through this system. We're going to look at those a little bit later in the Canvas module. So for now that we have 4, we're going to hit back at the bottom left. Do not hit the back browser button on your browser. Otherwise, it may cause an error with Schedule Builder and you'll have to restart the system. So we're going to hit back. And once we're here, it's showing us a couple things. It's showing us that we're only doing the campus of University Park. We're only looking at classes that are currently open, and we're only looking at these 4 classes. By having these boxes checked, this means that it's going to look for any and all possible openings and combinations of openings for these particular classes. So once we hit generate schedules down here, it's going to tell us how many schedules there possibly are. I have 497, and that's pretty good. You might have more and you might have less, depending on which classes that you've picked. Now, we're going to narrow this down, but we'll get to that in a later video. All you need to do now is hit the word view on any one of these, and you can see some example schedules. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to pick one of those class schedules and how to send it to your enrollment cart.